Hey, third graders, you're going to learn about sentences and fragments today. So, look over here. It says a full sentence has a subject, a verb, and expresses a complete thought. So remember, a subject is also a noun, which is a person, place, or thing, and a verb is an action, it's something that you do. So let's look at this example right here. Julie ate an apple. The subject or noun is Julie. What did she do? The verb is ate an apple, and that expresses a complete thought. Sentences that are complete, you're going to write an S. Sentences that are a fragment, that means it's not a complete sentence. That is called a fragment, so you would write F. So let's work on this together. The flowers in the garden. Is it a sentence or a fragment? Well, it has the verb, but it doesn't tell me, it has the noun, but it doesn't tell me the verb. What are the flowers in the garden doing? So this would be a fragment. So you would write an F right here. Next, the cat jumped on the bed. Is there a subject? Yep, there's the cat. Is there a verb? Yep, jumped. What did the cat jump on? The bed. So this would be a sentence. It's a complete sentence. So you would write an S right here. Okay, you're going to try the next couple of sentences. I am going to read it to you, and I want you to think in your head, is it a sentence or a fragment? Number 4. More sugar in the recipe. Is that a complete sentence or is it a fragment? How about number 5? There are 3 green cushions on the couch. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? Number 6. The waterfall at the top of the creek. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? Number 7. James ate all the soda crackers. Is this a complete sentence or is it a fragment? And number 8, ran down the street. Is this a complete sentence or a fragment? All right, let's see. Going back to number 4, more sugar in the recipe. This was a fragment. It doesn't tell me the verb and it does not express a complete thought. Number 5, there are 3 green cushions on the couch. Number 5 is a complete sentence. There are the subject, 3 green cushions, and they're on. That's what they're doing. They're on the couch. And it expresses a complete thought. Number 6, this is a fragment. The waterfall at the top of the creek. It has a subject, but doesn't tell me what does it do. So it's a fragment. Number 7, James ate all of the soda crackers. James is our subject. Ate is a verb, and it expresses a complete thought because it tells me that James ate all of the soda crackers. Number 8, ran down the street. This one is a fragment because it doesn't tell me who ran down the street. It has the verb, but it's missing the noun. We're not going to rewrite the fragments below, but I hope you were able to review what is a complete sentence and what is a fragment.